Hello and welcome to Marella Travel. Today we are going to be taking you on a tour of the capital and largest city in Cuba, Havana. So this one we really were looking forward to. Havana is steeped in history, has the most spectacular architecture and is more importantly famous for its Cuban cigars and mojitos. And cruising with Marella meant that we got to spend the night here and we were definitely going to take advantage of that. This gave us all the time in the world to experience the cars, the lifestyle and sample some of its amazing culture. Like many cities, there is a lot to see here, and if you are cruising like us, then it might be hard to fit it all in. We decided to walk through the cities, finding our way to all the hidden gems and hotspots, but do be careful, as the street sellers here are rife and will take every opportunity to talk to you and try and sell you something. This was our only gripe with Havana, as its beauty didn't let it down, but the constant hassle of street vendors really was off-putting. So, if you want a tip to see all the sights, then off the ship take a right, catch the hop-on hop-off bus that will take you all around the city. Havana really is a hot city and you need to make sure you have adequate sunscreen and water. Finding a drink here was very difficult as most hotels wouldn't let you in unless you were a customer and bars would only take American dollars but then only have change in Cuban pesos, rendering the currency unusable for the continuation of your cruise. However, we found this hotel called the Kempinski. They did let us in and we found another hidden gem. This hotel had amazing views across the city and had a beautiful mojito to accompany what can only be described as a little slice of heaven. So, if you're thinking of taking a trip to Havana, then consider a cruise stop-off. This enabled us to extract the best out of Havana. We witnessed the most beautiful coloured buildings, we danced and enjoyed mojitos while the sun went down. This city is magical and is worthy to be on anyone's bucket list. So, if you want to go back in time and see cars of a bygone era and take in the Latin vibe, then please consider this place on your cruise stop-off. It really won't let you down.